Hey guys, today we're going to be graphing to find a solution to a system of equations, okay? So let's say I have y equals 2x plus 3, okay? And then I'm actually going to switch colors here. And my other equation is going to be y equals x minus 2. All right, so I'm going to graph these two lines so I can see where they cross, okay? So the whole point of graphing this is to see where they cross, and the place where they cross will be the solution, all right? We are looking for the solution. All right, so first I'm going to graph the blue line, okay? I need to find B and M, okay? Well, B, as you know, y equals mx plus b. So our b is 3. All right. And I need to know m, as you see the thing that's next to the x right there. That's 2. So, but I need to know rise over run. Okay. So 2 is equal to 2 over 1. So now I have a rise and I have a run. All right, so let's graph this one. All right, so B is 3. So this is the y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercept. That means it's where it crosses this axis. Okay, so it crosses at positive 3. So I start in the middle and I go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is my y-intercept. Now from this point, okay, I'm going to go up 2 and right 1. So rise 2, run 1. So I'm going to rise 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to run 1. Always run to the right, okay? So I'm going to put my point right there, right? Because I went up 2 to the right 1. Now I'm going to do it again. I'm going to go up 2 and to the right 1. All right. Now notice I can go the other way. Make sure it stays with the same pattern, right? From this point I just made, I can go up 2 over 1, and that's the original point we made. All right. So we want to make a line here. Notice they're all in a straight line. Okay. So now I connect my points. I recommend using a ruler. It doesn't really work super great online like this if you use a ruler. But you got the idea. Okay. So that is our blue line. Now I'm going to make the red line. I'm going to graph the red line. All right. I need to know B and I need to know M. All right. So you'll see that B here is -2. All right. But there's nothing here in front of the X. So we know that if there's nothing in front of the X, that's 1x, right? So the number that's in front of the X is 1. So M is 1. But that needs to be a rise over a run, so it's 1 over 1. So I rise 1, I run 1. All right, so I start in the middle, and I go to my y-intercept, which is B, so that's -2, so that's going to go right there. Okay. So my y-intercept is 2, and then from this point, I'm going to rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, okay? And that's where the line's going to go. So notice that my red line is, if I go up this way, it's starting to get further and further from the blue line. All right, so I need to continue the same pattern going down until they connect. Okay. All the way down here. All right. And so you'll see that they connect right there. They touch this place right here. So what I need to figure out is what this point is. Where is this on the graph? I always want to know my x coordinate. Remember, this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. So I want to know my x and then my y of what this point is right here, okay? So the x coordinate is, it's in the negatives, right? So it's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Okay, so I have -5. And then how far do I go down? I'm at 0. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I went down 7, so that's -7. So the place where these two lines cross is -5, -7. So my solution is -5, -7.